All right, guys, so welcome to part 3 of a 2-part series. Yes, gentlemen. Pop's car has proven to be extremely temperamental, but let's go over a couple things real quick. Stock hood is on. It's not adjusted or anything, but it is on and lined up fairly well. Still need to get a prop rod in here, but hood is actually on. Let's see. Headlights not there. Couple of reasons. One, I've got to change the wiring because people cut the wiring harness to put the one-piece headlights in. Two, I didn't have all the backing plates and the little trim seals that go around them, so I had to order those. And then we'll actually be able to put the headlights in the car for good. And yeah, so okay, let's go to the back here. Look at this. Dover got a little busy the other night after I left and really went to town. Stock GT rear spoiler. Yeah, she's on, boys. So it's actually starting to look like something. There's a couple of things that are going to happen today. Number one, oh, before I do anything else, it was the distributor. If you caught part 2, the distributor was garbage. So it's got a new distributor in it, so it does run good again. The second issue is, if you caught part 2, the battery is not charging, or excuse me, the alternator is not charging. So alternator, got to pick one of those up today. But here's the big thing, guys. My buddy Nick Strong's carpet cleaning is coming today, and we're going to shampoo the rear seats, the new front seats, and the original carpet. I'm going to try to save the original carpet because other than some stains and some, you know, dirt, it's in good shape. There's no holes or anything, and OE is always best. So I've got to get the console, seats, all that out of here, and we'll get after it. You've seen us do this on the channel 100 times, so I'm not going to film it. I'll check back with you here in just a second once I got everything out of here. All right, guys, quick update what we got rolling here. You can see how nasty the carpet is, but if you look, this is what the carpet should look like. That's what it does look like. So it's gonna be a world of difference. And yeah, I'm excited to bring it back. Try to save this OE carpet. If not, no big deal. Also, one other thing I noted, and you guys, you can see this bottom seat, how nasty it was, and it's very important to keep this bottom seat because it's the original. But also noticed on the seat track here, you've got leg, and no leg. It's broke, and you can see at some point somebody tried to weld it. But anyway, I gotta get back to work here, get the rest of this interior out of here. All right, boys, doing work. Carpet is out. Everything's solid. I was kind of worried about that spot, but it's good. Yeah, she's solid. But and taking the radio out, another hack job as far as the install goes. It's you know, guys, and I'm just gonna go ahead and whine and bitch a little bit. It's kind of disheartening, you know, because a car doesn't have to get this rough. You know, if just a little bit of taking care of something can go a long way. My car is only a couple years newer, and it's, you know, this car was just not taken care of. It was abused, I guess, to say the least. Now, granted, we've seen a lot worse out here, and I mean a lot worse. But again, they just don't have to be tore up this bad. But here's the carpet. It's you know, not horrible. We'll see if Nick Strong can work his magic on it. If not, it was coming out anyway, because clearly it's nasty. What that is, but like I said, guys, I mean, there's no holes in it, and there's no spots where it's like worn out. This would be the main part right here. And as you can see, you know, OE carpet holds up, y'all, and this is why I was gonna, like, you know, let's go ahead and at least try to save it. just try to save it, and I'm a little bit I'm a little bit concerned about that. Obviously that's where the sun shone on it, so yeah, I don't know, whatever, it is what it is. Console, it's pretty messed up. It's people drilled holes in it, and a lot of the mounting points are cracked. Center console, same deal. But, you know, guys, I'm gonna be honest, I knew going in that this was gonna be a project, and clearly it is, so we're just gonna roll with it. Whatever has to be done will get done eventually. I wish it would stop throwing me curveballs to where we could kind of get it drivable and we could refocus on some other stuff. That was the goal originally, and it may give us a little more problems than initially thought, but who knows? Still a project. All right, guys, so here we go. This is the moment of truth, and I've got my buddy Nick Strong, Mustangs of the Mid, actually not Mustangs of the Mid-South today, but Strong's Carpet Cleaning. Day job today, guys. Nick is the owner operator of Strong's Carpet Cleaning out of Memphis, Tennessee, more like South Haven.
I live in Olive Branch, but you know, I go all over the place.
Okay.
I mean, I go from Tipton County up in Tennessee, all the way down in Tate County, Mississippi.
Nice.
You know, so I go all over the place.
So guys, if you're anywhere in the Mid-South area, you need to hit up Strong's Carpet Cleaning. I only hire the best, and it helps that he's my buddy, but you know.
Oh, yeah.
But so Nick is also a Fox body guy.
Oh yeah.
So Nick, your professional opinion, what are you thinking here?
It's pretty rough.
Yeah.
I mean, you know, we're talking about 30-year-old carpet here, so it's pretty tough. We're gonna give it a try and see what happens. You know, worst come to worst, you buy you a new one, put it in the car.
Yeah.
If not, you save a little bit of money on freshening up an old carpet. Seats,
Definitely.
I think, will be fine.
Yeah.
I mean, they got a couple little stains, but I think overall they're in good shape, so I think they should turn out pretty good. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the carpet first. I'm gonna pre-spray everything, let it soak in a few minutes, and then we'll give it a go.
Boom.
Sound good?
I'm dying to see you work. Guys, I'll have his information in the description. Hit him up. Any work you need done, if you're in the area, hit him up. Best work out there, built an entire business off of word of mouth. That speaks volumes. You're killing it, dude. Pretty damn impressive.
Yeah,
that's amazing.
Making
actually.
a difference on. The good thing about it is, when the seats are in there, even if it's got an imperfection underneath it, you're never going to see it anyway.
Yeah. All right, guys. So the difference is amazing. I mean, you can see the difference. But again, like Nick said, 30-year-old carpet. Other things that I'm starting to notice even more is like the cigarette burn holes. And and guys, some of this you're not even going to see because this is where the seat mounts up. But looking over here where it was faded real bad. But you can see like the difference here. This carpet looks brand new.
And I mean, we still got some work we could do on it.
Yeah.
But I just think at the end of the day, I think new carpet's a couple $100.
Right.
I think and it's such a noticeable part of the interior of the car. I just think from a looking at it as a standpoint when it's all said and done, I think a new carpet would do a lot for the interior of the car.
Yeah.
Seat wise, I think the seats are going to clean up and look.
Now I'm waiting to see what you can do with this one.
I'm really trying to.
But guys, me and Nick were talking with the price of carpet. This was definitely worth a try, but it's just it's.
Keep it rolling. Let's try another spot on there. See what it do.
But yeah, guys, let's get a nasty one. Get a really nasty spot. Look at the difference. That's crazy.
You just got some deep down stains, like a lot of discolorations on it.
Yeah, look at this. That is amazing.
It's a huge difference, but at the end of the day, it's only so much you're gonna do for it.
Right. I mean, there's no telling how long these stains have been in this carpet.
No.
And guys, don't think it was already wet. Okay, it was already wet, but this just running across it, that's all the dirt that's coming out. That is crazy.
And it's not uncommon to get rust stains around my seat bolts and things like that. That's pretty much everywhere.
When they spill their drink, it all runs down right there. Yep. Sits in the floor pan, and then you get nasty.
I suppose have a lack of cup holders, so that's
right. Yeah, unfortunately, boys, I think
definitely a big difference. Huh?
Oh yeah, huge difference. All right, Nick, this is what we're really gonna see the main difference here.
Let me tone this pressure down just a little bit.
All right. Question is, can he get this? That is the bad spot right there. The rest of them are still pretty good. And you just see the dirt already running off of it. That is crazy. Look at that. That is insane.
Looks like coffee, doesn't it?
Man, that's amazing. Looks like it all came out. I'm not sure what that is.
Hard to say.
Makeup or something? No telling.
Man, no telling.
Man, that's impressive.
Something crusty.
It's in there, that's for sure.
Yeah.
That is impressive.
You just add a little character to it.
Yeah, right? Like I said, it had to be this seat bottom, so I was like, all right.
Yeah. Let's take it outside.
All right, Nick, let's see how nasty the water is you're sucking out of it.
Pretty nasty. It's like coffee.
Oh my God. Yep, that's in your upholstery, boys.
31 years of your phone.
Not my phone, somebody's phone. Yeah. But yeah, guys, bottom seat is done. The uppers and the front seats. Remember, I just bought these front seats. Shout out again to Frank Ross for those. They have little to no staining, so that's going to go pretty quick. And not because of any of the staining really, but just because of all the discoloration like for the sun fading, like I said earlier, we're gonna go ahead and just put new carpet in it. Call it a day.
I think it's gonna make them. It's just gonna make it look that much better.
Right, exactly.
I mean, that's usable if we clean it all out and got it all, you know, freshened up, brightened up. It's usable, but I think the new carpet's gonna do a lot better.
Yeah. It really will. And again, guys, mostly it's the discoloration, just the sun fading.
Man, I'm on a poor man budget. I need some new carpet.
Yeah, right. But again, this car, it never had the windows tinted, so the fading's really bad. And going forward, it will have the windows tinted. It will be in the garage. So I think fresh carpet, fresh floor mats with, you know, these fresh steam clean seats. The interior is going to be it's going to be fabulous. I'm excited.
That'll be happy.
Alright boys, over here we got everything drying. You can see, I know you can't hear, but the difference is amazing. It's absolutely amazing. This is the little drying spot here. But it's incredible how good these seats look. You can see this bottom seat, how nasty it was, and it's very important to keep this bottom seat because it's the original. Love it. You check out the fronts here. They're still drying a little bit, but they came out freaking amazing. I mean, my God.
Clean as 89 seats you go.
Yes, sir. You won't find them any better than this right here.
No.
The wife already knows no drinks in the car. And of course, guys, the carpet, we're gonna replace it. It's just, it had a hard life, and
old news.
It's time to retire it. So hitting up LMR. Some mass back carpet incoming. Replace all that junk. So anyway, link in description to Strong's carpet cleaning. Thanks again, brother. You killed it as always.
No problem. Thank you, man.
And
my pleasure.
I love it. Amazing job. One step closer. So this is part 3 of what was going to be a part 2 series, and so probably going to be part 4 and 5. Isn't that how it is with all these cars?
Oh yeah, it's always a hell of a lot more than you think. Never goes smooth. I say it all the time, it never goes smooth.
No, it doesn't. And real quick, boys, I'm going to show you one last look, parting shot of the interior as it is right now. Yeah, I'm going to have to take a second job, third job, I don't know, something, just to keep all these cars going. So there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, thumbs up, smash that subscribe button if you haven't, and I'm gonna go pick my wife up later.